Hello believers and welcome to this episode of SMC DAO tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to mine your Ultiverse tokens by staking BTC on your OKX app. Ultiverse is going to be listing on OKX in 2 days from now, which is the 6th of June 2024. So this video is going to be very helpful to you as you'd know how to mine your tokens before then. Before I get right into it, tap right there on the subscribe button and turn on post notifications to be the first to view any of our tutorial videos that we bring out. Alright, so let's get right into it. First off, open your OKX app. Alright, and this is the homepage that shows. And you can see right here, upcoming, it shows that Ultiverse is listing, and this is the listing date, which is the 6th of June, and the time is 11 o'clock. The countdown is right there. So first off, to be able to mine your Ultiverse tokens, you have to ensure that you have BTC, Bitcoin, in your wallet. You can easily do that by tapping on trade and buying Bitcoin with the available USDT in your wallet. Alright, so I'll go back to home. Once you have bought your Bitcoin, you can tap right here on grow. And you see earn, loan, and Jumpstart. But today we are on Jumpstart. So tap right here on join. And I tap on stake. Alright, so the limit to stake is 0.3 BTC. But I have here $50 worth of BTC, and that's what I'm going to stake. You can put in the amount of BTC you want to stake, but I'm going to use all of mine. So I'll tap right there on max and stake. Alright, so this is a success. This has been a success, and I will be able to receive my Ulti tokens within 2 hours after the event. If this video has been helpful to you, tap right there on the like button and let us know any other thing you'd like to know about tutorials or anything topic you'd like to learn from. However, to monitor the Ulti tokens that you have just mined, tap on your assets and on Jumpstart, and you'd see right here that your Ultiverse token is currently being mined for you. However, the speed of your mining depends on how early you staked and how much you staked. So thank you very much for being a part of this video. See you in our next videos. Goodbye.